Or is this a video? Oh, it's recording. Alright. It's me, Darren D. Whatever you want to call me. Me and the boss, Billy.
It's good.
And if you can see my dogs in the background. You can't really see it though. Alright. But I get a little freestyle. It's a little dubstep type of beat. But remember, this is all freestyle. Just because I want to. And everybody else does this, but they're actually writing it. This is just out the head. Having fun with it. If I talked enough, you listening. If you're not listening, then you better be on a mission then. You better make some stacks. Do whatever though. Buy some clothes, get some cheddar, bro. Get some better hoes. I tatted across my chest, don't judge me. Not no one crazy, bitch, don't push me off the ledge. I'm going crazy, you wanna handle. I ran away with Billy, you know he really the bandit. He rolling up them Phillies, them chicks is like bandages. And we in the cut, and you know I'm always on stage. If I got another Earth Entertainment, they wanna get me and book me for a show. But listen up, I'm like Wayne Gretzky, cause I be skating away and playing, but they hating the shade I'm laying, and you know that I'm doing whatever. I'm feeling good tonight, so you know that I'm spitting. And if you don't like it, well, you go do it better than me. I'm doing this shit, and I spit it and I get it, and you know regardless, I'ma come through when you can't guard this. I'm like Michael Jordan the prime, bitch, you can't rhyme like me. Don't make no sense though. When listen up, when I spit it, I drench hoes because I get so much flow. You know me, I don't touch those disgusting chicks. Fuck with this, I got the nice shit. I'm about to erupt this bitch like a volcano. You can't explain no, and you know that I'm Mortal Kombat, man. I'm like Kano. Damn, this is off the top, bro. Listen up and pop it off like a top, yo. And Billy come through like Kung Fu and he'll chop yo ass off. Come straight through, we don't need a fucking mask, dog. And you know it's fucking D. I got the plan, bro. It's just me and Billy. It's just me and Billy. Shit coming through, all Dutches, not never Phillies.